video we are going to discuss about preparation of soil. So here in this preparation of soil, we have to turn or loosen or till the soil. In this process, the first task before cultivation in this agriculture is we have to loosen the soil. What are the uses by loosening the soil? Mainly, it helps for penetrating of the plant roots deep into the soil, and also it supply air to the roots which are situated or penetrated into the soil. Right? Now observe the preparation of soil image. This preparation of soil or loosening of soil. Students, why does the loosening of soil allow the roots to breathe into the soil? Tell me. Yeah. Loosening of soil mainly help for growth of earthworms, microbes which are present in the soil. It helps for growth of earthworms and microbes. Yes. Students, do you ever heard about the friends and foes of a farmer? Yeah, you are correct. Microbes, earthworms are the friends and foes of a farmer. So here, what do they do in the soil? Or what is the use of it? They loosen the soil or they fertile the soil and add humus to it. Isn't it? They add humus to it. Right. But why does the soil need to be turned and loosened? Do you have the doubts, students? Here, Pahali is asking and expressing her doubt. So let us answer to her doubt. Mainly, soil contains water, minerals, air, nutrients. What does it contain? Water, minerals, air, nutrients from the dead and decayed organisms and decomposition of the other organisms. Means, soil take back the dead organisms which are buried into the soil in the form of a decomposition by decomposing them into the fertile soil or normal soil or humus, and the plants utilize or take back those nutrients consisting humus by absorbing along with the water through root hair and supply to the various parts of the plant body. Is it clear? So here, if you observe, students, the top layer of the soil is few centimeters only. So the few centimeter top layer is called humus or fertile soil. So observe the image which I shown you just now. So it helps for mainly absorption of nutrients which are present in the soil. So when you water that easily, if you mix the manure also, along with the manure, when you water that, it is absorbed by the plants when you cultivate for the agricultural practices. Is it clear, students? Now look at the board and observe it. What is the use of by supplying these nutrients from the soil to the plant body, Nana? So this loosening of soil will mainly help for supporting of plant growth, turning and loosening of soil, and to bring back the nutrients which are present in the soil again to the plants for its more grain and better yielding. So this is called cultivation. So now if you start the cultivation, mainly now by all this we can give definition to the tilling. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or flowing. Is it clear, Nana? The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or flowing. How do you flow? With the flowers. So what is flow? Students, it is a iron or wood instrument which is made with iron or wood. When you flow it while tilling or loosening the soil, soil becomes crumbs. Crumbs are the larger pieces. Means after flow the field, we have the big pieces. If you have experience in the village when you meet like Pahali and Bujaho in summer vacation, if you visit your parents or uncles, those who are cultivating crops, you can observe students. So in the summer time, it is flowed the field with the big pieces. So the big pieces consisting soil after the flood is called clumps. So these clumps are broken into small pieces with a plank. What is it called? Plank. So field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation. For sowing means, so the field is ready after tilling, after the clumps and planks are leveled with the leveler. So we have to irrigate it, means we have to water the field. So leveling of soil can be done by the levelers. So now observe the images of levelers in the image. These are levelers. To level the soil before sowing the seed or cultivation, it can be used. With this leveler, field is leveled. Sometimes manure is also added to the soil before tilling, so that after manure is added to the soil, if you water it, so watering of soil will help for the mixing of the soil before sowing the seed, so that we can yield better crop, and it is good for yielding or cultivation. So this is the preparation of soil by loosening or tilling or flowing of the soil. In this regard, I would like to tell you about do you know point, which is given in the textbook page number 1 in the box. Here, before starting the agricultural practices in olden days, so like 10,000 BC, primitive man or caveman, ancient man, they don't know how to cultivate the crops. Simply they are adopted with the Zoom agricultural practices, isn't it? So grouply they are migrate farmers they are called, and they hunt the animals, they cultivate it, and again they shift to the another place or migrate to the other places. So there is no proper agricultural practices. They don't know tools even, which was observed by the Pahli and Bijahu in their uncle's field. But what are the instruments those ancient days? Only the stick, stones. By using them, they could able to cultivate whatever they need to cultivate, or they can cultivate, and they have sustained and lead their lives. So by that practices, later advanced tools were implemented, and now the agriculture was born by the advanced development, tractors, levelers, flowers, with the mission, equipped with all the equipment, so that even government is also coming forward to give advices for the better yielding to supply the food large scale population in India. Is it not, students? Yeah.